Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to play Teeny Titans. Your main goal is to become the Jump City Mega Teeny Champion by collecting awesome figures and winning battles. You'll gather more than 100 unique figures, each with special abilities. Then, you'll assemble a team of 3 to face off against other collectors. Get ready to explore, battle, and collect your way to victory. Combat in Teeny Titans is fast-paced and strategic. You'll participate in exciting 3-on-3 battles where timing is key. Watch your battle bar fill up to unleash devastating super moves. Remember to switch between your 3 active figures to exploit enemy weaknesses and protect your own. Mastering these real-time decisions is crucial for victory. Jump City is your playground for adventure. Explore its vibrant locations to discover new shops where you can buy figures and accessories. You'll also uncover special missions that offer valuable rewards and advance the story. Don't forget to enter the many tournaments scattered across the city to prove your team's might and climb the ranks. To truly dominate, you must strengthen your team. As your figures win battles, they gain experience and level up, boosting their stats like attack and defense. This progression also unlocks powerful new abilities, making them even more formidable. You can even combine certain figures to create unique, superpowered versions, giving you a significant edge in combat.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.